Blue Hands Red Review. Today we're going to be unboxing the Circle. It's a new type of water bottle that disperses flavored water. So you can dial in how much you want to drink to get the exact amount of sweetener or flavoring. Has a little joke about pi, 3.14159. For a drink as unique as you are, well, that's certainly true. It says right here, disconnect. A sip is a little bit like Humpty Dumpty. You know all the king's horses and all the king's men. So don't take apart your sip or you will miss out on some great flavored water. Okay, I'm not sure what that's saying right now. I think it's saying not to disconnect the sip or you could get too much flavor. Very odd. Not sure. If anyone knows what it means with this disconnect thing, please let me know in the comments. I think it's a disclaimer saying not to disconnect the flavoring device from the water bottle because it could cause issues, but I'm not really sure. Custom, healthy, hopefully it's healthy, it's supposed to be low on sugar, maybe sugar free. Convenient. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, a little informational pamphlet. How to enjoy. Fill your Circle bottle with drinking water. Okay, fasten it. Turn the dial, adjust it. Okay. Very quick. Life in the inner circle. You're in control. Exclusive discounts. Free stuff for free. Huh, interesting. Okay, so we have a water bottle wrapped in some plastic wrap. Well, looks like a pretty well-made water bottle. Then we have two flavor packs, it looks like right here. Flavor sips, mixed berry, and fruit punch. So these are the two that came with it. It says 0 calories, 0 sugar, 1 cartridge, 20 milliliter. So we'll try the fruit punch first. Okay, so it looks like the flavor capsule is actually a fully contained a unit. It's the whole sipper. So one arrow it says flavor, the other says water, and then okay, the top comes off. Huh. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this guy probably goes in here. Screw that in. Okay, now how do we adjust the flavor? That was my question. So there's a little plus sign here, but so because if you unscrew it to turn it, it unscrews the whole thing. Here we go. Okay, so you just got to turn it at the very top. All right, so if you turn it at the very top, there's you can turn it from X, which I'm assuming means 100% water, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a 0. So I'm guessing those numbers correlate with the amount of flavoring that's dispersed with your sip of water, with 1 being the lowest, or 0 being the lowest, X, and 9 being the highest, the most flavoring. So let me fill this puppy up and let you know about it. Alright, we're going to fill it up with core water, some pure water. I'm worried about when I adjust the flavor, if it's going to unscrew the whole thing. So, because you gotta turn it one way. So first I'll try it on, yeah, see if you turn it too far, yeah, the whole thing comes off. So you gotta really be careful with that flavor adjuster, you know. Okay, so start it on X. Should be hopefully 0 flavor. Okay, a little hard to suck at first. I really had to suck, but then once you suck through some threshold, then it becomes a little easier to suck the water out. So it's on X, tastes like water. Not sure if I'm tasting any flavor. So let's go ahead and try the next one. We'll go to 1, see if it tastes any different. Should be a little bit of flavor, not a lot. Okay, so I did that on circle, changed it to 1. Still tastes like no flavor. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's working at this point. Or go ahead and adjust the flavoring a little higher. So we'll take it to 9. Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. I feel like I just put my tongue in a cup of high fructose corn syrup. Very sugary tasting. Do not recommend going to 9. So let's go ahead and dial it back a little bit, and let's try get a happy medium where we're getting enough flavor, but you know, enough taste to be healthy, but not too much. All right, that was 4, a little weak. Let's try 5. Five's pretty good. That's a pretty good balance. 5. 6. Now 6 is a little too much. So I think 5's perfect. Now I have some questions about this Cikul flavored water dispensing system. How do you know when the filter is no longer good? When do you know that you have to exchange this top out? That's my question. I wonder if there's some kind of indicator light or indicator meter you can read to tell whenever it's done, you know. It's a Cikul, so seems like it tastes pretty good, does its job. I'll give you guys an update in a few months of using it.